Alright guys, here's the unboxing for my 6.5 inch 300 watt max 35 watt nominal TS-A1674R Pioneer speakers. Just going to start off by, I already cut it open, that's all I've done. I haven't taken anything out of the box yet. You get your Pioneer manufacturer's warranty. Tip it over. Slide it out, maybe. It'll come out. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands for this, sorry. I hate when people do this, but I understand where they're coming from. Alright, you can just slide it straight up out of the box. It is one piece, it will not fall on you. These came out of there, I'll explain what those are in a minute. And there they are, in their styrofoam brick. Alright, you got your speaker wire and your clips and screws. Alright. Now we got to remove them from the styrofoam. Just open up one of them, you can get the idea from that. Alright, here it is. You got your nice little grill. I think these are pretty stylish. They look cool, but I don't think I'm going to be able to use them because I got to install it in my 2005 Pontiac Grand Prix. And the front door, and there's no room for it. This cone sealant is rubber, which should be good. It's got a nice cone, and the mids and highs seem to be pretty good. They're not top of the line speakers, but Pioneer, I've always been happy with their speakers. They make not the best speakers, like wattage wise, but they're always pretty durable and quality wise. I've been happy with them, so I try to stick with them as much as possible. And here's what I said earlier, 30 watt, 300 watts, 35 watts nominal, 4 ohms. And yeah, just got that times 2. I'll let you guys know what I think when I finally install them. Pretty happy, pretty excited. Might be a little bit, not sure when I'm going to have the time. Thanks for watching. Bye.